Here we are in the Landmark Lounge, overlooking the garden and the swimming pool. We're going to prepare for you tomyumkung, one of the most famous of Thai dishes, which was introduced when the rivers were full of river prawns and the climate was much cooler. The ingredients that we're going to require are fresh river prawns that have been cleaned and the shells removed, fresh galangal sliced, lemongrass also sliced, lime leaves, straw mushrooms cleaned and prepared, shrimp paste, coriander, roots and the leaves, fresh chili peppers, fish sauce and lemon juice. Our first step is to select the river prawns. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the head and the tail, and it'll look something like this. The next step, we're going to make an incision down the back like so, and we're going to turn the tail through the hole and we have a prawn nice and ready for presenting like that. Our first step is to bring the chicken stock to the boil. Next we can start with the first of the ingredients, which is the galangal. Next the lemongrass. The lime leaves, and lastly the coriander root. If we take the fresh coriander, we just cut off the root. The leaves we will keep for the decoration after. Next we're just going to bring this back up to the boil. Now that our stock has come back up to the boil, we can add the mushrooms. And the fish sauce. We just bring that quickly back up to the boil. Now that our stock has come back up to the boil, we can add the prawns. Once we've added the prawns, we just switch off the stove and we leave for 2 minutes for the prawns to finish cooking. Our next step is to add the seasoning. First, the lemon juice, and next the shrimp paste. Mix that well into the soup. And for those of you that like it spicy, we can add some extra chilies. A small tip when chopping chilies is to put them into a plastic bag and just slightly tap the chilies to break them open, and then add them to the soup. And now your tomyumkung is ready for serving. And we fill it up with the rest of the soup, and you can add a few of the spices in there as well. Okay, and to finish, a little bit of fresh coriander.